Hey, this is Denise. I'm going to do a hair color tutorial on Garnier. This color. I'm just going to try to do a root touch up and see. I priorly did it red. I've been trying to get the red back. It looks dark now, but in the sun it's red. This color is deep burgundy. You can see the color. People that follow me and see my YouTube, but my Dollar Tree haul recently, might have been a few hauls before. I got the Garnier, this is it. And I've used this before, and I've done a video with it. I'm not sure if I did it on this exact point, it might have been a different burgundy they have, but we'll see how it goes. If you're like first time hair color, you should have clips, wear old shirt, put something down on your sink or even the floor if it's going to be a dark color. Use some clips, separate your hair. Gloves, I got that at Dollar Tree. Dollar Tree, don't pay me for that. And caps. They're like clear shower caps I use to put on my hair. I have that color. So when I'm waiting, you know. So I'm going to put some Vaseline on now, you know, for a barrier. It works to a certain degree. It's not full, but it depends how messy you are coloring your hair. So I'll be back. I'm back. I put the Vaseline, you put it by your neck, your ears, the people that don't know, it'll appear to help with the staining. I don't clip like perfectly. This is how I do it. This is what I'm working with. It's gray in the roots area. I'm just going to use one box. I have more boxes from prior videos. I bought 4 boxes of the Garnier, but I'm going to see how one comes, and then in a few more days I can always retouch up, because I don't want it dark. I don't want my hair to get like dark. I just want it the color it's supposed to be. So, because sometimes when you put too much on the ends, it gets like dark, really dark. So, I'll be back. This is what I got so far. I'll be right back because I gotta mix up the color. And pretty much, guys, I guess you know, I'm the developer. Most of you DIY people know, it comes like this, has developer in it. That's one. Read the directions. If you never dyed your hair, do the patch test. I guess you should always do it, but I don't. I've done it in the past. This is the colorant. You put that in there and you mix it together. I put mine in this Tupperware I have. It comes with conditioner. Yeah, this is a cheaper box, so you don't get like the tube. But it's okay. And I always save the ones I have until I'm finished with them. Is they good? They just last a long time. I'm here frequently. It's great. So, I love for people to subscribe if I haven't asked earlier. And click on the bell to know my upcoming videos. I do other videos. If you're new, watching my video for the first time, I do. If you're interested in plus size clothes and discount shopping and Dollar Tree hauls, that's what I do besides this. I don't do this all the time. So I'll be back. Sorry, I'm trying to pour it back. I mixed it. Shake it really well. My hair looks crazy right now. This is the way I do it. I'm not using the other can. Sometimes I use these things. I clean them out the wrong way. Most of them I just use them for hair coloring. So, you know what? I'm not sure. Sometimes I just like to pour it in, and then I use a brush. It comes with a little brush, but it's not the greatest. But I'm not sure where I put my other one. I have a longer one that I usually use, but I don't know where it is right now. So, I'm squeezing it out now. This is how I do it. Some people like using it that way with the nozzle to separate their hair, but I wish I could find my other brush. Let me just put it. Maybe right back. Let me see if I can find it so I can show you. Hey, I'm back. I couldn't find it. I'm just going to use this. think you can use this part. Let me try this. I'm not crazy about it. Misplaced the other one. Kiss me. Sort this thick. Okay. That's pretty thick, the consistency. So I'm gonna do. Like the other one better. I don't always separate my hair either, but it's easier when you do the roots. I don't know if you can see it. Let's remember first to do it. Help you. And then up here where it's gray. I'm not going to show you the whole thing because I'm just showing you the basics. I mean, everybody has their own method and what works for them. You know, professional people watch us and cringe. But all of us can't afford that, you know? I mean, I used to years ago, though, when I wasn't married. See, I'll do that. And it works. See how that is then? Sometimes it's good when you rub. Okay. We'll take this one out. Some people like to go like this and they part it, you know. I'm trying not to make this video so long, so that's why I'm going to go off the camera soon and just, you don't need to see the whole thing. You guys pretty much get the gist how to do it. If you're new and you're curious, you have questions, I can help you. I mean, I'm not a professional, it's what I know how to do. Let me go up there, it's great, I missed. Okay, I'm going to be bad. Let's see, it drips. Make sure, I stress this, make sure you use old shirts you paid, or I'm using a short pajama. This is a really old shirt, and so I'll be right back. Hey, this is Denise. I'm back. It came a little bit on the dark side. I might have to eventually switch to a medium red or a medium auburn. So this is how it looks. I'm going to post pictures on my Instagram. I mean, I don't know if it's this color or maybe it was slight coverage. I don't know. But in the sun, it's going to look really red. I'm going to try to post pictures when I'm outside tomorrow. Or whenever I go out. I might go out tomorrow. So this is it. It covers good if you're gray hair girls, like, you know, need to cover. It covers pretty good. So. But I've used this one. I keep using. Eventually I get like that deep burgundy red. It takes a few times use for me. I can show you old pictures. I might link it in there so you can see what I look like before. Like, I think it was like 2 summers ago. It was really deep burgundy. So. Plus when you take pictures, it shows it more. So that's it with that. I know when I go outside, it's going to look really red. So that's it. I would love to get new subscribers yet again. I know I keep asking. I need to build it up. If you have any suggestions about hair color, let me know, okay? Have a good day.